Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a fluffy slime from this a foaming face wash. This face wash is found in India, so I don't know where you can buy it or not. So I am taking a bowl and a fork, and I would be just taking a small amount of this face wash. This is a clear face wash I can see here, but in the bottle it looks like an orange peel. Okay, you can take only a small amount. Small amount is great. So just mix it only a little amount and just add some water. So here I added water and mixed this solution well. Now it will just act like a shaving foam in our slime. This I have a regular slime. I bought it from a store, and this slime is just a regular one. I would just put some amount in the face wash solution. Friends, sorry for the noise that are coming from my background because my background is full of noise. So sorry for that. So I would be mixing the solution well with the slime so that the slime gets easily dissolved in the solution, and the solution would make it a little bubbly and fluffy. So let me zoom in. Yeah. I think we will need some more amount, so I would take some more amount of regular slime. Regular slime is easy to buy from the store, or you can also buy it from an Amazon.in or an Indian website of slimes. Or you can also make it homemade by just adding some borax activator. You can buy it online, and some glue, and just mix it, and you would keep a slime with you. That should be a regular slime, and I am teaching you today how to make a fluffy slime from a regular slime. Alright, you can see that here is very much of the bubbles. Its fragrance is not too large or strong. The fragrance is very light, I think. I love the fragrance too. I think this amount is also not well for that, so just keep adding. That how much amount would you need? Just take small amounts for small beginnings, as if you will take large amount at a time, it can also make your slime not so fluffy. It takes me almost 10 minutes, but I keep cutting the video so that you can see it in small amount of time. So you can see that the slime is going fluffy. I think the camera can also give the bubbles. Yeah. Keep it in an airtight container, otherwise your slime would dry so fast. That's why this regular slime is also in an airtight container. You can see the holes are not coming out. You can see that the slime is so fluffy now, and I have been mixing just the foam and the slime and just it made a fluffy slime. I have been also making some shorts of slime videos. You can also watch that. I would also give the link of that video in description. So please watch that videos too. You can also go in my channel, and I have not made so much of videos, but I have made it only 4 videos now. I have been keep making the videos. Then just go in my channel and see the videos too. I also make origamis, so I would also be editing the origami videos. If you want origami, you can just keep a like, and I would just say that you want an origami too. So here is a fluffy slime. You can see it's just like the shaving foam fluffy slime. It's just like that. So guys, thanks for watching my this video. You can see that it's a very nice fluffy slime now. I also make just like fluffy slimes, and I would be making too much of videos by just keeping them editing and making. So this is the end of my video. Please like, comment and share. Please comment, like and share my video, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up. Bye bye.